wishing you all peace and prosperity. Mahirap masundan ang kagaya ni Elvin sa pagsasalita. Okay? I'm given really a very hard task, but really something that I'm very proud to do. Just to give you an idea, I got a text from my BFF, my best friend forever, si Daisy, one of our co-batch. And in it says, Julie, you were unanimously voted to introduce our guest speaker for this year, si Gigi. Tatanggapin mo o hindi? Parang may pananakot pa, no? At 2:30 in the morning. So sabi ko, aba, it's a great honor for me. So sabi ko, So, lumipas na ilang araw, sabi ko, bigyan niyo akong CV. And then, sabi ko ganyan, bakit kaya nila ako napili? Maybe we have so many things in common. Di ba, Gigi? Unang-una, sabi ko, nung nakita ko kahapon, at least 4 pages, single space CV niya. Sabi ko, puro accomplishments to. Aba, may accomplishments din naman ako. Sa labay nga lang siguro. Second is, he's also married like me. He's married to the beautiful light of his life, Linda Luz Bates Lopez Amante. Who's over here. Also a graduate of UEAga. And they were blessed with 3 sons. Dalawa din ang anak ko, pareho din lalaki. So, something in common na naman kami. So, sabi ko nga, and the children age ranges from 12, 19, and 25. Mine is medyo bata. Nagpapabata ako, kasi because but anyway, sabi ko, dalawa lang baka ang common sa aming dalawa. So sabi ko, nung nagkita kami last Friday, aba, may third pa kami common. Pareho kami nag-hair dye. So talaga, they really thought about it na ako ang mag-introduce sa kanya because of the things that we have in common. And gaya nga nagsabi ng ating Undersecretary ng Department of Health during dance rehearsals, boys, girls, serious na tayo ngayon, okay? So, serious na rin ako. Si Gigi has been inspired by Dr. Bakay in 1990 because he lost the pillar of his life. He lost his mother at the age of 59 to kidney failure. He just finished his residency at UP and PGH, and then so he kidney failure, and he found out na there is something that could be done that could have saved his mother's life at the age of 59. Kaya tayo, siguro karamihan tayo, 9 years na lang. Kaya ngayon, mas extended pa tayo ngayon. Di ba? Dahil sa mga taong kagaya ni Gigi na nag-adhere at umano sa vision ni Dr. Bakay. In fact, in our class, Dr. Bakay has inspired many of our classmates who went into nephrology and neurology. Like Dr. Odiku, Boy Bustos, Dr. Jojo Covico. Meron pa ba akong nakalimutan? And Bong Tate. Okay. So, Gigi finished his undergraduate as a college scholar at the University of the Philippines in Diliman. He got a Doctor of Medicine degree in 1984 with the best batch so far, UER in batch 84, and he graduated class salutatorian, and at the same time, he is one of the board top-notchers that year. Number two. So, yun na lang talagang alam na natin, talagang pinag-isipan nga nila na ako mag-introduce sa kanya. His present academic appointments is he is the Chief Section of Renal Transplantation at the Department of Surgery at the Capital Medical Center. He is also the Training Officer, the Section of Organ Transplantation, Department of Surgery, National Kidney and Transplant Institute. He has also several appointments, and to name a few, he is a visiting consultant of urology and organ transplant service at St. Luke's Medical Center, the attending urologist transplant surgeon at UERN Memorial Medical Center, and also an attending transplant surgeon at the National Kidney and Transplant Institute. He is presently affiliated with St. Luke's Medical Center, National Kidney Institute, and of course the UERN Memorial Medical Center. He has also published several publications, in fact 10, and the latest of which was only last year of September. This was published with the Transplant Proceedings, the Management of Highly Sensitized Patients at the Capital Medical Center Experience, and also the correlation of renal allograft rate to metabolic index ratios and glomerular filtration rate among living unrelated kidney transplant patients. So, meron ba kayong mga